Hi all viewers, welcome to Tech on my MSR channel. This video how to install the Windows in a corrupted hard disk or hard drive. Put on OS CD. In here I am using Windows 7. It's taking some time to load it. You open the first screen, it will ask language, time and region and input language. Default English, time is if India means it change the Kolkata region, and then in language input also English, and then click next. Now click the install now button of Windows. Then the next step, asking the ID. St- Skip the process. It will be in the left bottom corner, and then click next. The right corner. Then shows the license agreement. Defaultly, we can check in the left bottom corner. Click the checkbox and then click the right corner OK button. Then asks you want to install the OS in custom mode or advanced mode. You can choose the custom mode and then click next. In my system it's already partitioned, so that's why it's showing the all the partition columns in the drive. You can install the Windows in the primary section. Just click it on it. It will be takes sometimes. If the disk is already clean means if you are using a new system or installing the OS in the new system means it will be shows, it will be goes on directly, or else you will be formatting. You wants to format, it will shows the drive error. You can change the partition type, sorry, you can change the type. Press on shift F10 while installing an OS. During the time press shift 10, it will be open the command window. In that window you have to do this to resolve the issue. just type the use a command prompt, just type the disk part. If you type the disk part, it will be, then type the list disk, then it shows the drive name and the size of the drive, and then which type of, it will be static or dynamic. After see the disk name, you can give the command select disk. If the disk name is disk 0 means select disk 0. After given that, then press the enter. It will be shows the disk 0 is selected. After select that disk, you can clean that disk using the clean command. Just type it and clean. After that, it shows a message, the hard disk will be cleaned. Now again you can give the command select disk 0. Now check the disk is free, disk full size is free or not. After that you can again do the process, and then it will goes to installing the files. Again, while installing the third final stage, installing the Windows files, there is some more issue will come. It will stuck on the 0 percentage for a long time. The Windows files are loading slowly. On that time you can use this command using command prompt, using shift F10. Just type the task mgr. The task manager window will open. On that window you can go the process, setup.exe, right click on it and then go to the set priority. On that set priority you can choose, its default is shows as normal. it, you can choose it on high, and then click the button change priority. Then close the Windows taskbar window and then command prompt. Now it will be loading fast your Windows files. Here you can see the difference while installing. It's suddenly increasing the percentage, and then Windows files are all successfully installing now. It will take sometimes maybe 10 to 15 minutes or 20 minutes to load the full installation files, and then installation updates, installing features and then installing updates. You can automatically restart restarting the system or PC several times. It's getting finishing. After installing features and then now installing the updates. Oh, after all the files are successfully installing, restart several times, and then you can switch on the PC. It will be successfully install the OS. It will be automatically boot the OS properly. Yeah, don't do this, child. Like more excitement. Yes. Thanks for all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.